5 degrees. This thing ain't run since yesterday afternoon. 2005-3, 554,000 miles on it. I got in here earlier and grabbed some shit out, but I didn't try and crank it. So maybe a touch of snow. Yeah, that shit ain't not defrosting. She got a few miles on her. This thing has not been liking the cold. So we'll see what happens. Shits and giggles, I guess we'll do it again. That's pretty good. It's actually running a lot better than I thought it would. Hell yeah.